Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about milk. Number 1. Milk is a nutritious dairy product. Number 2. Milk has many uses. Number 3. It is a rich source of calcium. Number 4. It is also a good source of protein. Number 5. Lactose is a natural sugar found in the milk. Number 6. It comes from mammals like cows and goats. Number 7. Milk is often used in cooking and baking. Number 8. Many cultures have traditional milk-based beverages. Number 9. It can be turned into cheese and yogurt. Number 10. It is commonly consumed. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.